How to make PDF file in mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your Play Store and then search for Microsoft 365 Office. Then simply install it. After installing, open the application. Now create your account and then go to this create section. Select PDF. Now select how do you want to create a PDF. You can do it either by capturing a photo, importing document or merging PDFs. Select your option and then finish it. Now this is a PDF file. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.